Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be looking at how basically we can export a HTML table into a Excel file. Here you will see we have a beautiful HTML table out there which contain three columns: first name, last name and age. And we have two rows out there. You will see Jill Smith, age is 50, Eve Jackson 94, and basically we have a button out there which lets you export all that data into an Excel file. So now as I basically press this button, guys, so what will happen here if I actually press this button? So if I press this button, guys, you will see a Excel file will be downloaded as an attachment. If I open this Excel file inside Microsoft Excel, you will see this will be automatically exported to a Excel file which contains these three columns: first name, last name, and these two rows out there. So inside this React.js application, I will be exporting this simple HTML table into an Excel file, and I will be showing you how to do this process. Again, let me show you. This is basically a demo here. We have a button which lets you export this HTML table into an Excel file. You will see this Excel file is created right here, which contains these three columns. So for this dependency, guys, we are using basically a library which lets you export this. I have given all the source code, guys, in the description of this live stream. So basically you can search for a package which lets you do this process. So just go to npmjs.com and just type here React HTML table to Excel. I think this is basically the dependency. This is the package here. You will see that 7,645 weekly downloads are there. So it's a very nice package here. And now I will be showing you how to integrate this inside your React.js application. So it's very simple here, guys, what to do here. So first of all, here you need to first of all initiate a simple React.js project, install that dependency, and now we will make a simple functional component. So we will say export default function app, and here inside this we will simply say return, and we will return a simple hello world functional component here. If I now refresh here, you will see hello world will be returned to us inside localhost 3000. I need to refresh this. You will see hello world will be printed out. And now, guys, we just need to import this library at the very top here. We need to import this package. So we will simply say React HTML to HTML table to Excel. And we just need to import this from React HTML table to Excel. That's all. So after you import this package, guys, we just need to basically embed this component, which is React HTML to table Excel. So this takes some options, guys. Basically, you need to pass some attributes here. And inside these attributes, guys, the very first attribute it takes is the button text. So it has a property called as button text, and here you can say download as Excel file. So whatever you can provide here, and if you refresh here, you will see the button will be saying download as Excel file. So whenever I need to hit this button, I need to download the Excel file. So here basically we will have a table property, guys, and here we just need to pass the ID of the table that we need to export. So we will be providing the ID as table. So here what we need to do is that we need to create a table right here at the bottom. So we will create a table, HTML table that we need to export. So we will create a simple table and we will be giving a ID to it, the same ID that we have given right here at the top here, which is table here. So this ID we need to give here, and inside this we will have basically the table row tag, and then we will have three headings. First is name, and second is age, and third is country. And similarly, we will basically have the table body, and inside this we will have records out there. Let me say this is John, and an age is 25. I take country New Zealand, and I just repeat this thing for 3 more times. Sorry, I whole 9 to repeat this. So now if you refresh guys, you will see a table out there, and just need to modify these values here and somewhat change the names. So if you refresh guys, you will see that now we have 4 records out there. So if I hit this button guys, so you will see that this will be exported here. As I hit this button here, the file name comes to be undefined .xls. If I open this, it will be automatically exported to the Excel file. You will see name, age, country. But if you want to give it a particular file name, where we have an attribute inside this package that you can pass a file name. So there is an attribute called as file name. So you can pass a particular file name as well. Let's suppose I want to pass the file name as sample. So what will happen basically if you now press this button, it comes out to be sample.xls. Now you can see. And also guys, if you want to have a sheet name as well, it is there undefined here. If you want to define the sheet name as well, it also takes this option also. So we also has a sheet name option as well. Sheet is equal to, and here we can provide the sheet as well users. So now if you see, if you refresh your application, if you see, we have the sheet number comes out to be users. You will see that the sheet name is renamed to users. So you can customize the sheet name, you can customize the file name, you can customize the table, and then you can export them into an Excel file using this package in React.js. This is the overall tutorial guys, live stream tutorial. I have done this tutorial a very long time. I haven't done live streaming for a while now. So if you like this tutorial, please hit that like button. Subscribe the channel as well, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.